So student, in last lecture we learned listing in HTML5. Lists are of three types: unordered list, ordered list and definition list. Okay, then unordered list having three types of bullets. That bullets are disc, circle and square. Okay, then we come to the ordered list. Ordered list contain five types of listing: numeric listing, alphabetic listing and Roman listing. Then this alphabetic and Roman is again divided into further two types. Alphabetic contains capital alphabet and small alphabet. Roman is also containing capital Roman and small Roman. Okay, and then we see the third type of listing. It is called as definition list. Definition list contains dd tag, dt tag and dl tag. Okay, dd is used for defining the definition, then dt will define the definition term and dl will describe the definition which comes for that particular term. Okay, now we are coming to the next part of listing, which are called as nesting of list or nested list. So see what is meant by nested list. Okay, now see, nested list means list within a list. It may be either order list into unordered list. Okay, list within another list, it is called as nested list. Okay, so see how it works. Nested list means, suppose we have unordered list, okay, and there are some listing item of unordered list in this way, and within that one more type that comes like this: OLLI, listing item slash LI slash LI. Then here it ends, and again the main listing or parent listing having its listing item that come in this way, and finally it ends. So this listing is called as nesting of listing or nested list. Okay, so see how it works. We are taking one example of this nesting of list. So see how it works. For example, first we have UL tag. Okay, then this UL tag contains list item, advanced web designing, short form of it AWD. Then second list item, search engine optimization slash LI. Okay, now here this search engine optimization is divided again into sub two types. Okay, so we can see or we can display it within ordered list. Firstly we have unordered list. Okay, now we are seeing nested list. So in unordered list, the order list will come as a listing item. For that we are taking OL tag, then list item on page SEO. Now here it is not compulsory to make the end of this li. Okay, if we are directly taking another list item here in this way, then also the list will show numbering to this and the next list item. Okay, see how it works. Off page SEO. Okay, and here /OL. Okay, so this nested list will end here, and again we are coming to the first UL which contain next list item, that is advanced JavaScript. Advanced JavaScript and /UL. So this is the program. This is called as nested list. Now see how the output of this will appear. How it comes as an output. Okay, so see the output. When you are running this program on your web browser, you will get the output in this way. By default, here we are not using type attribute for the UL tag. Okay, so this will give a disk, solid circles, that is called as disk. First list item AWD, second bullet solid circle SEO. Now this will give us AWD, this will give us SEO. Now in unordered list there is ordered list. Okay, so for this we are also not using the type. So here the default listing type will come and OL contain default value number. So here we get one on page SEO and second off page SEO. Okay, this is because of OL. First item on page SEO, second list item off page SEO, and then here this listing ends. So when this ends, again we come to the parent list. And what is the parent list? Unordered list. It contains listing item advanced JavaScript. So here again in the form of disk we get advanced JavaScript. Advanced JavaScript. So this is your output, because here this UL also ends. So that is called as nested list. Now see how it works. Once again I will repeat it. First UL tag. UL tag means unordered list. Okay, that contains list item AWD, and because of this list item AWD we get the first list item AWD. And here we are not using a type attribute for the UL tag, and we know that the default value for UL is disk. Okay, so here we get the solid circles for AWD. Second SEO, that will also having disk shape SEO. Okay, then here there is no end of UL tag, but within this parent list another list item is included, which is order list, and it will be represented by OL tag having list item on page SEO. So we get number 1 on page SEO. Now why here the number 1 comes? Because OL also contain default value number. So we get 1 on page SEO. Second list item off page SEO. So we get off page SEO, and OL ends here, and the list will again come to the parent list having list item advanced JavaScript. Okay, and because of that, advanced JavaScript is come with the third bullet in this line. Okay, and then end of UL. So here this program ends, and it is called as nested list. Okay, I think now you will get it. Thank you.